This here is my video tutorial on how to replace the thermostat that burnt out in my Frigidaire Gallery microwave oven that's custom built. So I have no choice but to try to fix it. This is my second one. First one I did not video or film. This one I can barely film it because it's dangerous. I didn't want nobody around me. I didn't have a tripod. So I begin by removing my microwave, taking it out, unscrewing the outer cover. Those are star screws, by the way, not Phillips. So then I show the fuse, and the fuse is not burnt out. But then check out my thermostat and the spades. Look at the spades. It's very dangerous, so make sure you short out the what's it called, the transformer. Just touch the two sides together against the metal like that. Now I ordered from Amazon the thermostat's OEM. I ordered some spades, but for some reason didn't fit, so I got those spades from Home Depot. And check it out. The thermostat replaced, and my microwave is working. I hope this video helps you because I had to do this on my own. There's no tutorials out there, no videos out there, and it's pretty much straightforward. Just be safe and make sure you short out the transformer or whatever it's called. And ordering the parts was from Amazon. They're original. And the spades, again, hopefully they work great because they're just the cheap stuff. As you can see, my microwave is done. It's fixed. And I hope this video has helped you out.